Marriott Hotel in Newport. So this is their deluxe room. They have a huge cabinet over here. So the luggages are already there. Already took the slippers. Inside is a bathroom. There's a toilet. These are the toiletries. There's a bath mouthwash, bag, sewing kit, body lotion. There's that. Inside there's a bathtub. So you can see the king size bed from here. You can close the curtains. These are the shampoo, shower gel. So I couldn't find a safe in here. Maybe it's here. It's a ref. There's a built-in coffee machine.
Yeah, okay. Okay, sorry to bother you. You can in case you're right, you can restart.
There's a huge TV over here. That's my son talking. He's just so excited just to be in Marriott. There's a desktop in here. There's a sofa with lamps. And outside you have a view of their pool and the city, as it's nighttime right now. Just came back from a flight from Thailand. So the room is quite huge, and that's it for now. See you in the next video.